Marcus here from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and I'm about to share something that changed my entire approach to housework. Last week, I watched my neighbor struggle for 3 hours trying to deep clean her kitchen while juggling phone calls and cooking dinner. Meanwhile, I finished my entire house in just 45 minutes using these 9 simple tricks. The difference? I stopped trying to be perfect and started being smart about cleaning. These methods work especially well for us seniors who need to conserve energy and make every movement count. On this channel, we focus on practical solutions that actually work in real life. No fancy equipment needed, no impossible standards to meet, just straightforward methods that respect your time, energy, and physical limitations. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to see more of these game-changing tips. And if you find even one of these hacks helpful, show some love with a like. It really helps other seniors discover these time-saving strategies.
Hack number 1. Master the art of strategic cleaning order. Let's start with something most people get completely wrong. They try to tidy, clean, and organize all at the same time. This creates chaos and wastes precious energy. Here's the smart approach that professional cleaners use. Always work in this exact order. First, tidy up. This means putting away items that already have a designated spot in your home. Throw out obvious trash and create one pile for things you're not sure about. Don't spend time deciding where uncertain items go. Just pile them together for now. Second, do the actual cleaning. This is when you dust surfaces, vacuum floors, mop, and sanitize. Your surfaces are now clear, making this step much faster and more effective. Third and finally, organize. Now you deal with that pile of uncertain items and put everything in its proper place. This system prevents you from cleaning the same surface multiple times. It also keeps you from getting overwhelmed by trying to make too many decisions at once. For seniors managing arthritis or limited mobility, this structured approach conserves energy for the tasks that matter most. Hack number 2. The simple 5-category room reset. Here's a method developed by Casey Davis, a professional counselor who understands how overwhelming housework can become. She discovered that every messy room contains exactly 5 types of items, nothing more. Category 1. Trash. Look for empty bottles, food wrappers, junk mail, broken items. Deal with these first because they're the easiest decisions to make. Category 2. Dishes. Any cups, plates, utensils, or food containers that belong in the kitchen. Category 3. Laundry. Clothes, towels, blankets, anything that needs washing or putting away in closets and drawers. Category 4. Items that have a home. These are things you know where they belong, like books that go on shelves or tools that go in drawers. Category 5. Items without a home. These need a designated spot, but that's a separate organizing project for later. Work through these categories in order. Even spending just 5 minutes on Category 1, trash, will make a dramatic difference in how your space looks and feels. This method works particularly well when you're feeling overwhelmed or when unexpected guests are coming over. Hack number 3. Transform your dish routine forever. Dishes can feel like an endless mountain of work, especially when mobility issues make standing at the sink challenging. Here's a brilliant solution that eliminates most of the stress. Set up a dish drying rack as your dirty dish station. Throughout the day, place used dishes directly into this rack instead of leaving them in the sink or on counters. Why this works so well? Your sink stays empty and functional for hand washing and food preparation. The dishes don't pile up in overwhelming stacks. When you're ready to deal with them, simply transfer everything from the drying rack to the dishwasher. For seniors without dishwashers, this system still works perfectly. The dishes are contained in one organized spot, making hand washing much more manageable. You can wash them in smaller batches when you have energy, rather than facing a mountain of dishes all at once. This approach also reduces back strain because you're not constantly bending over a sink full of dishes trying to find space to work.
Hack number 4. Rethink your laundry standards. Here's something that might surprise you. Folding laundry perfectly is not necessary for a functional home. Many seniors spend hours each week folding clothes that just get wrinkled again in drawers. Consider this alternative approach that saves significant time and energy. Hang shirts, dresses, and items that wrinkle easily. For everything else, underwear, socks, pajamas, casual shirts, use organized baskets or drawers without folding. You can sort by category: one basket for undergarments, one for casual clothes, one for socks and accessories. Everything stays organized and easily accessible, but you eliminate hours of tedious folding work. This method works especially well for seniors with arthritis in their hands or those who find the repetitive motions of folding painful. Your clothes stay clean and organized, but you reclaim valuable time for activities you actually enjoy. If you're worried about wrinkles, hang items immediately after removing them from the dryer. The residual heat will smooth out most wrinkles naturally.
Hack number 5. Create your personal closing routine. Think of your home like a business that needs closing duties each night. This concept, borrowed from restaurant management, ensures your space is ready for the next day without requiring perfection. Choose 3 to 5 simple tasks that make the biggest difference in your morning routine. These might include loading the dishwasher, wiping down the kitchen counter, setting out your medications, preparing your coffee maker, or taking out the trash. The key is consistency and simplicity. Do these same tasks in the same order every night, using whatever time you have available. Some nights you might have 20 minutes, other nights just 5 minutes. Adjust the routine to fit your energy level, but stick to the same core tasks. For seniors, this routine is particularly valuable because it prevents small messes from becoming overwhelming projects. It also creates a sense of accomplishment and control at the end of each day. Your closing routine should focus on function over appearance. The goal isn't a magazine-perfect home. It's a home that works smoothly for your daily needs.
Hack number 6. Keep your tools within reach. Professional cleaners know this secret. Accessibility beats aesthetics when it comes to cleaning supplies. If your vacuum cleaner is buried in a closet behind holiday decorations, you're much less likely to use it for quick touch-ups. Store frequently used cleaning tools in easily accessible locations. Keep your vacuum in a corner of your main living area. Store a small basket of cleaning supplies under each bathroom sink. Place a handheld duster in your living room end table. This approach is especially important for seniors who may have mobility challenges. Every barrier you remove makes it more likely you'll tackle small cleaning tasks before they become big problems. Consider getting lightweight cleaning tools specifically designed for easy handling. A lightweight cordless vacuum, microfiber dusting cloths, and long-handled cleaning tools can make routine maintenance much more manageable. Remember, your home should serve you, not the other way around. If having cleaning supplies visible bothers you aesthetically, find attractive storage solutions that keep them accessible but contained. Hack number 7. Use a simple task management system. When mental energy is limited, even identifying what needs to be done can feel overwhelming. Here's a visual system that eliminates that mental load. Create a simple room reset board using a piece of paper or small whiteboard. Draw 2 columns, To Do and Done. List the tasks for each room in the To Do column. When you complete a task, move it to Done. When you notice it needs doing again, simply move it back to To Do. This system removes the mental burden of remembering everything while giving you the satisfaction of tracking progress. This method works particularly well for seniors who may be managing memory changes or who simply have busy lives with many responsibilities. The visual reminder eliminates guesswork and reduces stress about forgetting important tasks. You can customize this system for different areas of your home or different types of tasks. Some people prefer separate boards for daily, weekly, and monthly tasks.
Hack number 8. Harness the power of timers. Most people drastically overestimate how long cleaning tasks actually take. This mental barrier prevents us from starting tasks that would actually be quick and easy. Use a visual timer, either on your phone or a physical kitchen timer, to test how long tasks really take. You might discover that wiping down all your bathroom surfaces takes just 3 minutes, or that organizing your medicine cabinet takes less than 10 minutes. This technique works 2 ways. It shows you that many tasks are quicker than expected, and it helps you make the most of limited time slots. If you only have 15 minutes before an appointment, set a timer and see how much you can accomplish. For seniors managing energy levels throughout the day, timers help prevent overexertion. Work for 15 minutes, then rest. This approach is much more sustainable than trying to tackle large cleaning projects all at once. The timer also provides a natural stopping point, which prevents the perfectionist trap that can make simple tasks take much longer than necessary.
Hack number 9. Design a schedule that fits your life. The most important hack is abandoning cleaning schedules that don't match your reality. There's no universal right way to maintain your home, only what works for your specific situation, energy levels, and physical capabilities. Some people thrive on cleaning a little bit each day. Others prefer dedicating longer blocks of time once or twice a week. Some seniors find that tackling one room thoroughly per day works better than trying to maintain the whole house simultaneously. Ask yourself honest questions. Do you have more energy in the morning or evening? Do you prefer getting tasks done quickly or working at a slower, more comfortable pace? Are there specific days when you typically have more time and energy? Build your cleaning routine around these realities instead of fighting against them. If weekend mornings are when you feel most energetic, plan your deeper cleaning tasks for then. If you're exhausted after busy weekdays, design a minimal weekday routine that just maintains functionality. The goal is creating a sustainable system that reduces stress rather than adding to it. Your cleaning routine should support your lifestyle and well-being, not dominate it.
Bonus tips for seniors. Let me share a few additional strategies specifically for our senior community. Invest in ergonomic tools. Long-handled dusters, lightweight vacuum cleaners, and cleaning tools with comfortable grips can prevent strain and make tasks more manageable. Clean as you go when possible. Wipe down the bathroom counter while brushing your teeth. Load dishes into the dishwasher immediately after meals. These small habits prevent buildup without requiring separate cleaning sessions. Accept help gracefully. If family members or friends offer assistance, let them help with physically demanding tasks while you handle organizing and lighter duties. Focus on high-impact areas. Clean bathrooms and kitchens more frequently, since these areas affect health and daily function. Other areas can be maintained less intensively.
These 9 strategies aren't just cleaning tips. They're life management tools designed to give you more time for the things you truly enjoy. The key is starting small and building sustainable habits that work with your physical abilities and energy levels. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's creating a functional, comfortable living space that supports your daily activities without overwhelming your schedule or physical capabilities.
Which of these hacks are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one and often create new videos based on your suggestions. If this video helped you rethink your approach to housework, please share it with other seniors who might benefit from these time-saving strategies. And don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical tips that actually work in real life. Next week, I'll be sharing my top 5 organizing solutions for small spaces, including some clever storage ideas that cost less than $10 each. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, your home should work for you, not against you. I'm Marcus, and I'll see you in the next video.